Good evening. I just want to show you this post-bed machine, how to put the thread, how to put the bobbin, and how to fix it. If you break it, how to take the needle plate and then you put it back. So you just go like this and then you take this one, bring the needle up, take the needle plate out. That's like that. Take this one here out. I got a thicker screwdriver, so we have to have like just a small one like this to do it. So you take this one out, which is the needle plate. All right, so he goes with 2 screws. This is the first one, and this is the second one. And I want to mention something to everybody. A lot of people, they don't know about this slide over here. This slide over here, if you see it here, this is the one goes over here. So when you put the needle plate like this tongue over here is stacked in here, and that's a normal timing. So when you put it, make sure this one here, it's in here. That's very, very important. So number 2, a lot of people, they just, let me show you how I'm gonna put this needle, the bobbin. You have to use a needle or something to take it out. So a lot of people, they're sewing on this machine, and this is very, very important. They don't hold the thread, and they end it with the thread inside over here. So when you get the thread inside over here, turn on this case over here, the problem is this one doesn't move. So this is a message to everybody use this post-bed machine. If you see this one, it's not moving, that's mean you have the thread stacked in there. So this one here, this is the stop for this case over here. If you see it like this, it goes like this. So this one stop over here, and then it goes just like that. So this one here, stop, this one here. So if you want to put it back, you make sure, again, it's very important for any post bed. This one here should be over here. So this one, you just bring it a little bit like that, and then you put, and you make sure this one, it's not moving. The top one, which is this one here, it's not moving, just like this. So if it's moving, if the whole thing it's moving like this, that's mean the machine, it's not functioning correctly. So you have to put this tongue back over here, and then you make sure it's not moving. So now you put the bobbin over here, you make sure you put this one down, bring the thread down, and you should be okay. So you just go ahead and then put your 2 screws and you're all set.